Hello everybody, it's 2:21 and 40 seconds on December 3rd. This is the drawing for the 4 slabs, the Venom 1, the Battle Scars 1, the New Mutants 20 Signature Series, and the Civil War Frontline 1. Okay, here are the 15 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place gets to choose the 2 slabs that they want. Whoever comes in second place will get the remaining 2 slabs. Everybody here, with the exception of Frank, has multiple spots. So if somebody could come in first and second and win all 4 slabs. Alright, so here we go. Number is 10. Going to randomize 10 times. Best of luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here's the final one. 10. Brody Stokely gets to choose the first 2. Kevin, you get the remaining 2. Time is 2:22 and 40.